Hi, I'm Shel Reinish, and here we are at Infocom 12 in Las Vegas. And we are with Siron LED lighting. And what I'd like to do is show you one of our featured items that we have. If we look, you can see the multicolor media highlighter. This is 4 9-inch bars of LED multicolor lights with a controller and a power supply available through our dealer network and several other locations. It gives you the user the ability to change colors on command with the control, or 14 different light shows that have the ability to automatically show lights at different colors, speeds, representations, as well as music interaction with the same lighting. This is available in various locations and direct from Siron.